Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how you can embed ConvertKit newsletter to Webflow. So let's get started. To get started, you'll need to authenticate your apps, which only takes a few seconds. Zapier also meets industry standard encryption to keep your connections secure. Next, set up your trigger, which is the event that starts your workflow. Pick the trigger event you want from the list. Once this step is configured, your Zap will pull in test data from your trigger app, so you can see how it will work when setting up the next step. Now comes the exciting part: setting up the action in your target app. Choose the action you want to happen and fill in the necessary fields. You can type text directly or pull in data from your trigger step as needed. Finally, turn on your Zap, and Zapier will automatically start performing the tasks for you. Whether your workflow is simple or complex, Zapier connects with thousands of apps, more than any other platform, making automation seamless and powerful. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.